Tappy activated. Hi, token crew. Remember how we loaded data about fan tokens? Now it's time to download 8 steps to create them on your own. Let's plug in. First things first, goals. Are you sparking fan engagement, building a community, generating revenue? Decide what kind of fantastic experience you want to code and who it's for. You can't just toss coins into the blockchain and hope for the best. And remember, your fans are your power source. Understand who they are, what they love, and what will make their LED hearts glow. Exclusive perks, voting rights, a chance to claim the title of Fan of the Century. The possibilities are endless. Step 2. Get yourself some serious backup. Building a fan token isn't just a weekend project you can code in your garage. And that's why specialized fan token development companies are in the system. These tech know blockchain like I know binary. They've got a killer track record and an understanding of your industry that's sharper than my CPU. This is not a task for solo mode. Step 3. Choose your blockchain platform. You've got Ethereum, BNB Chain, and Polygon. Ethereum's a classic choice, but it can be a bit pricey. BNB Chain's fast, cost-efficient, and smooth. And Polygon's scalable, eco-friendly, and sleek. Whatever you choose, make sure it's fast, secure, and programmed to your needs. Next, make sure your tokens are magnetic. Start with the total supply. How many tokens are we minting? Millions, billions. Then plan your distribution strategy. Are your tokens going to be rewards, giveaway prizes, or maybe limited edition collectibles? Whatever they'll be, don't skimp on the incentives. Exclusive perks, financial benefits, voting rights. Give fans a reason to download that token. Now, smart contracts. These programs are the CPU of your token, governing how it's issued, distributed, and managed. And here's a tip. Don't skimp on security audits. The last thing you want is your token hacked faster than it can launch. So, step 6, integration. Plug your fan token into the system and make sure it works seamlessly with popular Web3 wallets so fans can securely store their new coins. And if you're launching a new crypto website, make sure it's user-friendly and fun. Clunky interfaces are like robots with square wheels. Just no. Next, showtime. Launch your fan token with some serious style, starting with an initial coin offering to sell a portion of your tokens to early adopters. Then, list your token on exchanges to amp up trading and liquidity. Remember, a token with no exchange listing is completely pointless. Finally, the post-launch phase. Your token is out there, but the mission isn't over yet. Provide technical support, because even the best systems can glitch now and then, and always keep things fresh. Roll out new features, enhance functionality, and keep your community engaged. Now you're ready to create your own fan token, CryptoFam. If you already know what it will be used for, write down your wildest ideas in the comments. Tappy deactivated.